What's up, beautiful people? How you doing? It's your girl Tamara and I'm back with another exciting video. Today I'll be showing you how to make a lip scrub and a lip moisturizer, or should I call it baby lips? Lip scrubs are great for exfoliating the dead skin tissues on the lips, providing moisture to your lips so your lips can stay nourished, plump, soft and smooth. After using the lip scrub, it is essential to go in with your lip moisturizer to maintain that juicy, hydrated looking lips and to keep your lips feeling soft like that of a baby. Well, if you want to see how I achieved this, then keep on watching. To make this lip scrub, you'll need white granulated sugar, or you can use brown sugar if that's what's available to you. You'll also need honey. Honey is very good for the skin. It has antioxidant and antiseptic properties. It's also rich in some bleaching agents that helps to lighten dark lips. You'll also need olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I'm using olive oil because that's what's available to me. You'll need an essential oil. I'm using tea tree oil specifically for its preservative properties and to give the scrub a nice fragrance. You'll need food coloring, and I'm using red food coloring, but this is completely optional. If you don't have any access to food coloring or you just can't be bothered about colors, then you can skip this ingredient. You'll need a nice clean container to store your scrub in. You'll need a mixing bowl and measuring spoons, but guys, please pardon me because when I was filming this video, I had no access to the correct measuring spoon, so I had to improvise with regular tablespoon and teaspoon. To the mixing bowl, you add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of honey, about 4 to 5 drops of tea tree oil, and then you add 1 or 2 drops of the food coloring. Then you mix thoroughly till the food coloring is evenly distributed around the scrub. I decided to add more color because it wasn't as pink as I wanted it to be. So basically, the food coloring is personal. You can add more coloring if you want. You can add less. It depends on you. So once the scrub is properly mixed and the color is evenly distributed, you pour the mixture into a clean container for storage. This is the consistency you should be aiming at because if the liquid ingredients is too much, the sugar will dissolve and it will no longer be a scrub. You can apply the scrub at least 3 times a week for the best results, preferably at night before going to bed. And after scrubbing your lips, you should go in with a lip moisturizer immediately to ensure that you wake up with smooth and plump lips in the morning. Okay, for the lip moisturizer, I decided to show you guys 2 methods to make it. In case you don't have access to the ingredients in the first method, you'll definitely have access to the ingredients in the second method. So, for the first method, you'll need cosmetic grade beeswax pellets. I got mine on eBay and you can also get this on Amazon. You'll need olive oil. Like I mentioned earlier, you can use any oil of your choice. You'll need a pink colored lipstick to add color to the lip moisturizer, and because the base of this formulation is oily, you'll need an oil soluble lipstick. I would explain this later. You would also need tea tree oil, an empty lip balm container, a mixing bowl, regular tablespoon and teaspoon for measuring. In the mixing bowl, you put in a teaspoon of the beeswax pellets, and then you add 1.5 tablespoon of olive oil. Then you add a few drops of the tea tree oil. After that, you place a pan of water on the stove and wait for it to start boiling. Then you place the mixing bowl in the boiling water so that the heat from the water can melt the wax pellets. Once the wax has melted, you take out a small part of the lipstick and put it into the melted wax and mix gradually till the color is evenly distributed. So talking about lipsticks that are oil soluble, basically you might be wondering how to figure out if your lipstick is oil soluble or not. All you need to do is just going to be a trial and error process. All you need to do is take your lipstick and put it into the melted wax, and if it is water soluble, it will not dissolve properly, it will not spread easily and dissolve properly into the wax. It will just be stationary. But if it is oil soluble, it will dissolve properly and it will melt nicely and spread evenly in the oil. That is how to find out if your lipstick is oil soluble or not. And once that's done, you pour the mixture into an empty lip balm container. And you have to do this immediately you get the mixture out of the stove. And then you put it into the fridge to cool down for about 2 hours. For the second method, you will need petroleum jelly, a pink colored lipstick that is oil soluble, tea tree oil, an empty lip balm container, a mixing bowl, and a regular tablespoon and teaspoon. So you place a tablespoon of the petroleum jelly into the mixing bowl and then add a few drops of the tea tree oil as well. And this time around, I'm just going to go right ahead and add a small quantity of the lipstick into the petroleum jelly. Again, you heat up a pan of water on the stove and place the mixing bowl into the pan once the water starts boiling, and then you wait for the mixture to melt. You mix properly to ensure that the color is evenly distributed, and then you take off the mixing bowl from the stove and pour it immediately into the empty lip balm container. You place this into the fridge as well for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, I took out the lip moisturizers from the fridge and this is what they look like. You can use your lip moisturizer anytime you want, but especially after scrubbing your lips, it is advisable to go in with your lip moisturizers because it helps to seal in the moisture and it keeps your lips feeling soft, smooth and juicy. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope this video was helpful and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below, and please do not forget to like and share this video. Do not also forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.